Hi Trader, and today I'll introduce to you a very special technology, technical analysis with which you can start trading by only yourself without any dots. And of course, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. There you can find the most profitable signals ever. So if you wanna start your new step of your life, just subscribe to my Telegram channel. All links in the description. And here we are already on the broker's website. Above you can see the currency pair that I have chosen in advance. Starting balance for today is $768. Time frame of the first trade will be 5 minutes. And we will open trades for $200. And let's quickly move to the first currency pair. A wonderful situation. I will immediately put money on the price decrease. And let's take a look at the first indicator. This is the zigzag indicator, and this indicator has finally formed a local high, and the chart should go down. The second indicator, RSI, is directed downwards, and this also gives us a signal about the downward movement of the trend. And while we have time left before the trade ends, let me tell you how to work with the zigzag indicator. This indicator is a broken line that connects the local maximum and minimum in the price chart. And due to the fact that the zigzag is built on the most significant maximum, is very convenient to use it to analyze the price chart. According to the specified settings, the zigzag connects the tops and the throws formed on the chart with the straight lines. It should be taken into account that the last line of the indicator is still in the process of drawing, and it can be redrawn until the last maximum or minimum is finally formed. Zigzag helps to analyze the price movement, and traders who use in their trading Elliott waves often use the zigzag indicator to identify waves. And it helps to filter out the minor noise of the chart and helps to determine the current wave situation and structure. And that is full moving phases and corrections waves. The zigzag will also be useful for identifying the valid trend and drawing a trend line. With its help, it's easier to find technical support and resistance levels on the chart. Price figures and patterns of technical analysis, and zigzag is usually used as a supplement to technical analysis. And it also helps to find trading signals in conjunction with other indicators. And now let me show you how to use it in practice. And as I said earlier, before opening our trade, we saw the final local maximum. It's already enough to determine the future trend. And we have a new local high, which means that the chart is going to go down. Even if we now see that after the local maximum, there is another segment after the local maximum. And we saw that this segment isn't fixed, so we would still open it the downside. And that's how it works. And now we're going back to our trade, which is has a little bit of time left. And of course, by the way, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video. And our first trade closed in plus, and the profit is $184. And we're going to another currency pair. Wow, a wonderful currency pair. But before starting trading, I reduced the time frame to 4 minutes. Well, and the amount of the deal I will increase to $300. And in this case, it will be more profitable to open a deal on the price decrease. Again, according to the zigzag indicator, we see the local maximum is finally formed, and accordingly, in the future, the chart will move downwards. And the RSI indicator is directed upwards and is about to break the overbought area. Once it does, and there will be a price pullback, and our indicator is trending down. And that will be our sell signal. But since I was looking at the 4-minute time frame, it's more profitable to open a downside trade. But now let me tell you more about this indicator. The RSI indicator is one of the main oscillators of technical analysis, and this tool helps to track the dynamics of price changes relative to its previous values. The RSI indicator allows you to identify overbought and oversold points of the market, and then the price should turn around and give rise a new trend. As I mentioned earlier, the indicator is an oscillator. This type of instrument was developed specifically for a sideways movement, and there it shows how much the price has deviated from the average values, or how fast is it moving, predicting to traders a high probability of reversal in the opposite direction. And the tool is available in the most trading platforms, and there is no need to download anything. Just click a few buttons and the indicator will appear on the chart. And to summarize, when an indicator breaks through the oversold area, it will move downwards for some time, but then the price pullback is sure to occur, and the indicator together with the chart will go upwards. This works in the opposite direction as well. And well, when the indicator doesn't go beyond the boundaries but moves inside them, you need just to look at its direction. If it's up, it's a buy. If down, it's a sell. And there is not time much left till the end of the deal, and let's watch together. And by the way, today Tron Trader wrote to me and just surprised me with his result, and I'll show you his result in my Telegram channel, and the link in the description. I'm waiting only for you. And the second trade is closed for today, and our profit is $276, but we move to our last currency pair for today. And this currency pair is perfect for me. I will reduce the time frame to only 1 minute, and I'll open a trade for $400. In this case, open a deal also on the price decrease. The indicator zigzag now not finally formed a local maximum. From above, we can see that the local maximum is finally formed, so the chart will continue to move downwards. Also, the RSI indicator tells us that the pointing upwards. This also tells us that the price will move downwards. And let's watch the progress until the end, and of which there is not only a little time left. Well, trader, the last trade for that is closed in plus, but before I will say goodbye to you, I just want to tell you that you can become one of my team members. Just write me a code word plus VIP, and then I can add you to the private group with the most profitable signals in the whole internet. So if you're interested, then just write me this code word plus VIP in private messages in Telegram. All links in the description. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.